Ollie didn't just have pets anymore, he had true friends who loved him back. Every morning, he would wake up early just to check on them. Tommy would wag his tail with excitement, Minnie would rub her head gently against Ollie's legs, and Chik would flap his wings happily and whistle sweet tunes. One weekend, there was a heavy storm. The wind howled outside, trees shook, and the power went out. Ollie quickly ran to his pets to make sure they were safe. He placed warm blankets over their beds and kept a flashlight near them all night. He whispered, "Don't worry, I'm here with you." The next day, the storm was gone, and the sun peeked through the clouds. Ollie and his pets went outside to play. While playing, Ollie noticed a cardboard box near the park. Inside it was a tiny kitten, wet and scared. Ollie gently picked it up. "Another friend who needs love," he said with a smile. He took the kitten home, dried her up, gave her warm milk, and introduced her to the others.
"This is Snowy," Ollie said.
"She's a little shy, but we'll all make her feel at home." As days went by, Ollie's little group of animals grew closer, like a family. They played together, ate together, and even slept side by side. Ollie would read them stories, and Chik would chirp along like he understood every word. Tommy would guard the house bravely, and Minnie would cuddle with Snowy every night. One evening, Ollie's parents sat with him and said, "Ollie, we're proud of you. You've shown that real love means caring for those who can't speak, but still feel." Ollie smiled and looked at his furry and feathery friends. "They may be small," he said, "but their hearts are full of love. And so is mine." And from that day on, Ollie dreamed of opening an animal shelter when he grew up, a place where every lost or lonely animal could find a loving home, just like Tommy, Minnie, Chik, and Snowy had found with him. The love Ollie gave came back to him in laughter, loyalty, and endless joy. And that, he knew, was the magic of being kind to all living beings.